Are you feeling tight, achy, or stiff from sleep? If the answer is yes, you're in the right place. Today we're kicking off the morning with a full body wake-up flow. A 5-minute stretch designed to shake off stiffness, improve flexibility, and get you feeling amazing before your day even starts. We're focusing on spinal mobility, hamstring flexibility, and upper body release to make sure you move through your day with ease and confidence. No equipment is needed, just your mat and 5 minutes to invest in yourself. You can do this anywhere: your bedroom, living room, the gym, or even outdoors for an extra boost of energy. And here's the plan. We're starting with cat-cow to wake up the spine, flow into downward dog to stretch the full body, and finish with an overhead tricep stretch to reset posture and open the shoulders. Most people just roll out of bed and rush into their day. But not you. You're here, putting in the work, and that's already a win. By the end of this routine, I promise you're going to feel looser, stronger, and more awake. Enough talking. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with cat-cow, because nothing wakes up the spine, core, and breath like this simple yet powerful movement. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly. Lift your chest and tilt your tailbone up, cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tuck your chin, and press your hands, cat pose. Move slowly and fluidly for 1 minute, syncing breath with movement. This stretch improves spinal mobility, relieves back stiffness, and enhances circulation. I promise by the end, you'll feel loose, refreshed, and ready to move. Beginners, keep the movement slow and small if your back feels extra tight. Advanced stretches deepen the arch and curve for a more intense stretch. Now that we've warmed up the spine, let's activate the full body with downward dog. If you need one move to stretch your entire body, improve posture, and boost circulation, this is it. It's a game changer. From all fours, tuck your toes under and lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the mat. It's okay if they don't touch. Keep your spine long and push through your palms, relaxing your head between your arms. Hold for 1 minute, paddling your feet if needed. This stretch decompresses the spine, lengthens the hamstrings, and builds upper body strength. I promise by the end, you'll feel longer, stronger, and more flexible. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings feel tight. Advanced stretches, hold the pose and actively push your heels toward the ground for a deeper stretch. Now that we've activated the full body, let's move into a forward fold for a deeper hamstring release. If your hamstrings, lower back feel stiff, this stretch will loosen everything up fast. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you hinge at the hips, folding forward. Let your upper body hang heavy, relaxing your head and neck. Hold for 1 minute, gently swaying side to side if it feels good. This stretch relieves lower back tension, increases hamstring flexibility, and improves circulation. By the end, I promise you'll feel lighter and more relaxed. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees to avoid strain. Advanced stretches, try grabbing your ankles and gently pulling your torso deeper into the stretch. Now that we've stretched the spine and hamstrings, let's unlock the hips with seated hip rotations. If you ever feel stiff in your hips or lower back, this movement will free up your range of motion and boost mobility immediately. Sit with your knees bent and feet wider than hip-width apart. Slowly drop your right knee inward toward the mat while keeping your left knee up. Switch sides, dropping your left knee inward while the right knee stays up. Continue alternating for 1 minute, keeping the movement smooth and controlled. This stretch improves hip mobility, strengthens stabilizing muscles, and reduces stiffness. I promise by the end your hips will feel looser and more open. Beginners, keep your hands on the floor behind you for support. Advanced stretches, sit tall and place your hands on your knees to increase mobility. Now that your hip rotation is unlocked, let's finish with tricep stretch to open out the shoulders. If your shoulders and arms feel tight, the stretch will instantly release tension and improve mobility. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, reach your right arm overhead, bending your elbow so your hand reaches down your back. Use your left hand to gently push your right elbow downward. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch arms. This stretch improves shoulder mobility, reduces upper body tightness, and enhances flexibility. By the end, I promise you'll feel loose, relaxed, and fully refreshed. Beginners keep the stretch light and gentle. Advanced stretches lean slightly to the side for a deeper stretch. If you want to keep the momentum going, join our mailing list and receive a free gift to help you boost your energy, get rid of stiffness, and take better control of your movement without even leaving your desk. And I bet you're gonna love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.